we are looking at what is the meaning of this word. What does sexist mean? What is the definition of sexist? A sexist is someone who practices sexism. Sexism is prejudice or discrimination based on one's sex or gender. Sexism can affect anyone, but it primarily affects women and girls. It has been linked to stereotypes and gender roles and may include the belief that one sex or gender is intrinsically superior to another. That's what the meaning of sexist is. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't obvious, and the meaning of related words. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.